guys,
Hey
it's
guys.
Judy,
It's
and welcome to Jacob's Family TV. Today we have a new game called Save the Penguin. The main point of this game is to not let the penguin fall off the ice. This toy is from ages 3 and up. You can have any. How much players? Okay. So how you play? You use the blocks to build. Install the 4 pillars. The penguin is placed in the middle position, beating any color, then start off the game. Start off the game. Okay.
Okay.
So we have a spinner and we spin it. So whatever it lands on, the color it lands on is the ice block we'll beat up. Oh no. Ready, Jimmy? Ready to open it?
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. So, the penguin is blue. That's uncommon. So, Jimmy, this is yours. This is mine. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, we have the 4 pillars. Nothing else. So, the ice blocks. I'm not sure if there's a specific order, but, well,
That's it.
oh, here's the spinner. Oh, that's very small. So Jimmy, we're gonna build it like this. If we build it like this, I think everything will fall. So, and the penguin is plastic and it's not rubber. I thought it was gonna be rubber. The penguin is so small.
Yes.
It's what? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. So Jimmy, ready? Start. One of them is extra, so we have 1 extra, and we're gonna put in the pillars.
One is others.
And
Then.
look at this beautifulness.
Oh,
So now we have to put it in the middle, the penguin. So the penguin here means you can take a rest. The white or the blue means you can take any of the colors, like you can take 1 blue or 1 white. And the orange slot means you can take 2.
Youngest first.
Yeah, youngest first. Go. So Jimmy, oof. And Jimmy spin. Or just spin it. He takes a rest. And me, I get 2. But that's kind of bad. 1, 2. Your turn. So Jimmy, he takes a rest again. Me, I get a blue. So Jimmy, it's your turn. You get a blue. You have to do it this way, Jimmy. Make sure the pointed edge is faced and hit it. Make sure the penguin is. Oh. And now you take it. Take the blue. And it's my turn. What do I take a rest. Spin. You get a white. Jimmy, why don't you take this one? Do you need help? Ooh, that's nice.
I got 2.
3.
What?
So this one is not included. And my turn. I get a blue. Done. Jimmy. Can you spin? Spin, Jimmy. Jimmy, spin. Are you okay? He gets 2.
Mhm.
I guess he gets... Why don't you... I'm helping you here, Jimmy. Why don't you get this? Push this one down. Oh, okay, you got 2. You got 2. You got 2. Me turn. No. You got 2, Jimmy. You got 2.
I need this color and this color.
No, Jimmy. You only get 2. So I get 1 white.
2.
Yeah, I got 3. So my ice cubes and Jimmy's ice cubes. So spin. Yeah, you get 2. I'm very worried for Jimmy. The penguin is falling. The penguin fell, but he didn't fall off the game. Why don't you push this, Jimmy? Take it. My turn.
Yeah.
I take a rest! Not fair. So Jimmy, you spin. Take a rest, take a rest. You get 2 again. Well. Oh, that was easy. So Jimmy. What? We have to knock down. Okay, I guess this is no turn, so we're gonna keep these. I get 2. Those are mine. Jimmy, your turn. 1. How are you getting more than me? Oh, Jimmy, that's really risky. Want to risk it for a biscuit? I'm shook. How? How did he not knock down the penguin? My turn. I take a rest. Jimmy gets 2 again. He's taking the risk. Okay.
I didn't.
That's actually true. So he must knock down the whole thing, like the whole base.
I did anything.
So Jimmy, go and knock. Yep. No, that way. It's okay. You're not gonna knock it down. Oh, we got 2. How are you so good at this? How?
Because this is to you.
You're so peaceful. Me, I get 1. So. Anywho. I didn't knock the structure down. So how you lose? You have. So my turn. I keep taking rests. This is against my law of playing games. So Jimmy, take a rest. He took a rest. Me, I get 1 block. Jimmy. Oh my god. Never. The structure did not knock down. Jimmy. Master. Jimmy, your turn. Now this time, Jimmy. Now let me turn it very slowly for Jimmy to knock down the structure. Oh, that's very risky, Jimmy. I lost. Everybody, I lost. Because really, if I just
Get this.
I get, wait. Oh no, I get 2 blocks. So practically. No! Poor buddy. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this Save the Penguin game. We're gonna play it off cam to see who wins. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, watch our 2 other separate channels, Jody World and Famous Jimmy. Or watch this channel as well. And goodbye.